Hi, today I'm with me OPPO A77s and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first open the control panel, and if you want to add here some options or remove some of them or just to change the positions of the icons here, you should click here on the settings option, and here you'll see more functions, invisible options, which you could add to your panel. To add them, we should just hold and drag the option here to the subsection. To remove some of them, we should just hold the icon and drag it to this down section. And to change the positions of the icons, we should just hold it and drag it. Then just click to go back to save the changes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.